Welcome to Exact Training. This lesson is on maintaining purchase part data in the Purchasing Control module. In this lesson, we will learn what purchase part data is, how to enter it, and maintain it. So what is purchase part data? Purchase part data is used to maintain purchasing information that is specific to a part identifier. This information is required by the MRP Explosion program to correctly create planned orders. It is also a prerequisite to issue purchase requisitions and purchase orders. Before a part can be purchased, information from this screen must be accurate, along with the vendor and vendor part data. Here are the steps we'll follow. From the System Manager, we'll choose the Materials tab and the Purchasing module. We will go to the Activity menu, choose Purchasing Data, Purchasing Part, and then enter and maintain the purchase part data. From the System Manager, choose the Materials tab. You may need to use the scroll bar to scroll down and see all the modules. Select and open the Purchasing Control module, and the module window will open. Then select the Activity menu, choose Purchasing Data, and then Purchase Part from the menu. When the Purchase Part Data window opens, select the first field for part number. If you know the part number, enter it here or double-click to choose it from the browser. These four fields, the planning lead time, buy lead time, stock lead time, and buyer ID, will default to the settings from the Part Master Planner tab. If no information has been entered in the Part Master, they will be blank. You can enter or modify the information on this screen, and the Part Master's Planner tab will be updated. For the planning lead time, this is the purchasing planning lead time. It is an optional entry for the number of days required for the inventory planners to plan the purchase requisition, and for the purchasing department to obtain quotes and place the purchase order. All due dates for orders for purchase parts are based on the total purchasing lead time, which is the sum of the planning, buying, and stocking lead times. For the buy lead time field, this is the purchasing buying lead time. This field is optional. It is the vendor's actual lead time, including the time from mailing the purchase order to the vendor to receiving the material into the shipping room. For the stock lead time field, this is the purchasing stock lead time. This field is optional. It is the number of days necessary to inspect and stock the purchased material, including the dock to stock time. For the buyer ID field, enter the name or identifying number of the individual in charge of purchasing this part. Now select the primary vendor this part will be purchased from. The MRP Explosion will use this vendor ID on any planned order that is created to fill demand. The planned order can be overwritten with a different vendor prior to converting it to a purchase order if desired. Then click the Update button to save your data. And you're all set. In review, we have learned what the purchase part data is for and how to enter the data. Thanks for watching Exact Training.